Today I will show you how you can fix the crash of your game in Unity. So first of all, you have to find out why the crash is happening in your game. If your game is crashing before this splash screen, then it means that the problem is in your plugins folder, and in 80% cases the problem is in your manifest file. So open the manifest file. So if you upgraded your project from old Unity to Unity 2019, then your game is crashing because of this Unity player native activity. Just remove the native part, save, then it will fix the crash of your game. If your game is still crashing, then check your player settings. So go to file, build settings, player settings. Do not use this protect graphics memory option, and do not use this pro guard. So select none. I hope it will fix your crash. If your game is still crashing, then here is a simple trick for it. Just delete the manifest files, and build the APK. Unity will create the manifest file by itself.